Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. So today I'm going to be bringing you this fall get ready with me where I show you how I do this hairstyle. It has two braids and I also curled the ends. You can't see them because my hair is so long right now. I'm going to show you this fall makeup. I freaking love fall makeup, like I've said so many times. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Zakaila. You can follow me on my socials at Zakaila Savage and Snapchat at ZBeautyQueen15. And make sure to click that subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any more videos. I do beauty and lifestyle videos here on my channel. Let's just jump into the tutorial. Alright, so for today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you a hair look and a makeup look. So it's like a fall get ready with me. So I'm going to start with my hair and I'm going to do like just two French braids up into like their own little ponies and the rest down. And then I think I'm just going to kind of curl the ends of my hair. Alright, so I finished curling my hair. Yeah, it's just like light curls and they're gonna like kind of get flatter too. Just one of them like loose waves. So before I started my hair, I went in with the Beleaf, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. It looks like this. I ran out of my Tatcha water cream, so I wanted to try something else, another brand. I love that one and this one is very comparable to that. I got a new Fenty Beauty primer that I'm super excited about because I've been out of it for quite a while. This is just the soft matte primer. I've definitely used this before on my channel. I went through one whole bottle and then was out of it forever, and I'm sure I'll go through this really fast. It's my favorite primer. I love it. So now on my primer setting, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows really fast. So as usual, I'm going in with the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit Cosmetics. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and start just doing light strokes that are like the hair. Alright, so that's how I do my brows, and then I just go in with some brow gel. I'm just going to quickly set these brow hairs. I'll go in later once I'm done with my makeup and do it again because they kind of just don't stay when I'm doing foundation and stuff. That's it for my brows, so I will see you when we get to the face. Alright, I'm back and now we're going to start my makeup routine. So I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty foundation. I've used this a bunch of times. I really love their foundation and their primer. You know what? I love everything I've tried pretty much from Fenty. So, and I'm gonna be going in with this black little sponge. This is from Beauty Bakery. Finished my foundation, so now we're looking all smooth and even. So I'm gonna be going in with the Fenty Beauty concealers. I've never tried these actually, so I'm so excited because I've love the primer and the foundation, so I'm super excited to get to try these out and see how I like them. So I'm gonna start with 280, and if it's too light then I'm gonna go in with 300. Actually, I think that's fine. Alright, we'll see when I blend it out, of course, but I am not mad at it. Alright, so I'm gonna take that same beauty sponge and just blend that out. Oh my gosh, stuff is blending out so nice. I'm gonna be going in with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder. I'm gonna make sure there's no creases in my concealer. And I'm gonna set it. Alright, now I'm going to be going in with my Pixie spray and just spraying my face so that everything blends and melts together really nicely and I don't look overly dry. Alright, so now I'm going in with some bronzer by Il Makiage. Looks like this. And this is in the shade Waka Waka. As you can see, it's pretty dark. So I'm just going in and bronzing up / contouring my cheeks. Alright, so now I'm going in with this highlighter from Milani. It's Sun Glow shade 3. And it's just like a little bit darker, like of a gold, if that makes sense. Has a little bit of like reddish undertones, and I feel like since I'm still a little bit tan from summer, this will work really well with my skin tone right now. Alright, so I went ahead and did this eye already just to save some time. I'm going in with the Morphe 35M palette. And it is beautiful. I'm obsessed with all of these colors. Alright, so I'm going to be starting with this orange shade because, you know, orange is always a nice transition color and is really easy to blend with. And I'm just taking a fluffy brush This is a Morphe M433. So I'm taking that orange color and I'm just going to start blending it on my crease. Alright, so now that the orange is placed down, I'm also going to be bringing that underneath so I can create the correct shape that I want. So I'm putting it on my bottom lash line. And then I'm just going to connect that up like that from the bottom to the top. I'm going to be going in with this cranberry shade right here, and I'm going to be using that as my next transition color. And same thing, I'm just going to start applying that in my crease, but I'm not going to bring it up as high. I'm going to leave it lower. As we get into darker colors, and make sure you don't go like too much too fast with the pigment. Otherwise it's going to be really hard to blend and it's going to look patchy. Alright, and then same thing, I'm going to be bringing this underneath on my lash line, and I'm going to be connecting it up here as well. And then I'm kind of just like flicking it up. Alright, so now I'm just going to go back in with the orange because it got washed out by that cranberry color. And I'm just going to make it more pigmented. Now I'm going to be going in and mixing these two browns and placing it in my outer corner and a little bit in my outer crease. And I'm just taking another fluffy pointed pencil brush. This is the Morphe M506. So I'm starting off just by placing it in my outer corner so I can kind of see where I want it. I'm blending it into the middle part just so it's not so crazy pigmented in the outside. And then I'm going to start blending it into my crease as well. So now I'm putting that on my lower lash line on the very top part. And then just like the last two colors, I'm blending it into the color on top. I'm going to be going in with this orange shimmery shade from the Morphe palette. I'm going to be taking this orange color and popping it in my inner corner. Alright, so now that I've got the orange on, I'm going in with this purple Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. It's in the shade Love Drug. And it's this beautiful metallic purple. And I'm just going to take that and put that on my bottom waterline. Alright, now I'm going in with my Icon Mascara by Il Makiage. It looks like this. I'm just going to quickly brush a little bit on my top lashes. I have eyelash extensions, so I don't put mascara on, but they're a little bit tangled and they have just some eyeshadow on them. Alright, now I'm going back in with my Milani highlighter, and I'm just going to pop some highlight in my inner corner and on my brow bone. Alright, so to finish off my makeup look, I'm going to be doing my lips. I'm going to be going in with this Morphe lip liner in the shade Bite Me. It's just this dark brown. Alright, so that's how I'm going to line my lips with the dark brown. Just helps your lips look a little bit more full and plump when you do it this way. Cake d'Ivoire Lip Whip by Beauty Bakery. I'm really obsessed with Beauty Bakery. I've only used a few. Wow, that is like a perfect match. Alright, so I'm going to finish off the look with my Morphe setting spray. I love this stuff. It's amazing. If you haven't tried it, you freaking need to. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this fall get ready with me. I had a lot of fun. Thank you again to everyone who's watched this video, supported me. I love you guys so, so much. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias at Zakaila Savage. Subscribe below, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!